Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around a Ford Fiesta. It's a brand new 21 plate that we've upgraded with front parking sensors, plus a few other extras. If you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit that subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So this is actually the second time this vehicle has been featured on our YouTube channel, but also second time we worked on the vehicle. This car actually came into us originally from Ford in Cambridge before the customer collected the car to add in a front and rear U1000 dash cam, but also added in an integrated reversing camera. Now what we've done, the customer's traveled all the way back over to us to add front parking sensors to the vehicle as well. So what we've added in is our flush fit solution. We won't be talking about the dash cam or the camera on this occasion, but make sure you go check out that video of exactly the same car of those products installed earlier on our YouTube channel. In terms of what we've got here is a 17mm flush fit sensor. Basically, we do two different solutions for these sensors. We do a button solution, plus we do the automatic solution. Both house the same actual 17mm sensor. They are color coded to the exact color of the vehicle, plus also they're completely flush with the bumper as well. What's involved is basically bumper removal, actually mounting those sensors from behind to give a flush look effect, but also then running a cable all the way into the vehicle into a small control box. On this solution, we've gone for the button activated solution. We've mounted a little button on the right hand side. Basically, all you do is press that little button, you get one single tone telling you the sensors are on, and then as you approach whatever the object in or obstacle, you can easily go through and not bump into that by having that audible tone basically going to a constant beep as you get very close. So it's a really, really nice solution for parking up tight to any obstacle or any object on the vehicle. However, we also do a fully automatic version as well, which can be done. Basically, it's in essence looks wise cosmetic from the outside exactly the same, but there's no button. As you just drive up to something, it automatically turns on. So we do two different solutions. If you are after something like this, make sure you get in touch with us, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But hopefully you've enjoyed the video, you've seen the product on the actual install that we've done on the Ford Fiesta front parking sensors. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. We look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you very much for watching.